In this video we will learn stretch entities. The Stretch Entities tool is used to extend the length of some of the lines in an entity. Click the Stretch Entities tool. The Stretch Entities tool is a flyout from the Move Entities tool. Click only the lines that will be involved in the stretch. Click the Stretch About box. The box will turn blue when active. Define a base point. For this example, the lower left corner was selected. Click and drag the base point to stretch the entity. For this example, the stretch drag was along the horizontal lower line of the entity, means the X direction. Press the Escape key. Use the Smart Dimension tool to size the final stretch distance. Click the green OK check mark. If you like video, press like and share. Have any question, comment below. Try to answer you. To learn SolidWorks beginning to advanced level, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.